folks, what am I doing here? I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm just continuing from a previous video. What I'm doing the same day. But, taking the differential bearing out, inspecting it. Seems to be pretty decent. I'll bend the camera down and I'll show you what rest I'm doing. I am, if I get this damn camera to go down. Come on. What is wrong with my camera? I don't know. There we go. A little better, I guess. All right. What I'm doing is I'm put my gloves on because it's a little warmer using these gloves. I took the seal out. As you can see, it's had better days. I don't know. It's pretty crusty, dusty. It looks like it's all corroded. So that's toast. Then I gotta push pop the bearing out of here. So I'm gonna attempt to either use a bearing puller, or I should try the blind bearing puller. I don't know. It's pretty grungy. This is done, and apparently I have gotta see if there's a little washer here. It's supposed to be a seal. Okay. That's a cap or what? This is the seal. This is I gotta put this washer away first. Hold on a second. There's a washer in here, which is right here, a shim. It's a differential. This is, I don't know if this is usable, but I'm putting it anyway. So, but I know that this needs to go with it. I'm pretty sure they give you a new one, but I don't know. I don't want to lose it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my arbor press and pull it out, clean this up, and if I can get it nice and neat, should be. So even like this one, there's a rubber seal. Should come right out. With brute force, of course. Come on. There we go. There's the crusty, dusty seal. Also, this is an Irwin screwdriver, in case you're wondering. I wonder if I can pop this out with a hammer. Like this. You could pop anything out with a hammer. There we go. Got the crusty, dusty bearings up. Like the rough. There is so much dirt and mud in here, it's not funny. I'm just gonna wipe it off so I don't get it all everywhere. I like saving old bearings. I don't know. It's crazy. It's like doesn't even. Not anymore after I put a nice nick in it, but it's crunchy. Maybe I can clean them out, who knows, but there's lots of crud in there. So, Crudmeister number 2. This all has to be cleaned out. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to get my parts washer working, and I don't know if it's gonna freeze or not, but probably will. Maybe I can get this one out too. That work? Yeah, maybe I can do it up here. Let's see if I can do this. Just realized I'm banging on quite a vintage screwdriver, but oh well. So this one's done. It's aluminum, so it shouldn't be too hard to clean up. I don't know if I should try spraying with aluminum brightener or what. I need a hose for that. Aluminum brightener is very caustic, and you need a good water supply to neutralize the acid, and it goes on for, it's like 1 minute, I think. This one's Yeah, this one moves a little better. So now I'll show you my plan, what I plan on doing this. I'm not doing it right now because I have to find somebody as a parts cleaner I could use. Maybe I can. So anyway, this is. I'll show you what I plan on doing with this once I clean off the mess. So hold on 1 second here. Just wipe some stuff down. I had to pause to clean my trash can out a little bit because it was my small trash can. I put in my big trash can, but here there's all kinds of crud and shit in here. And before I do this, there's a seal in here too. Apparently, this is not strong enough. Let me lift this up a little here. Also, it's cold on my hands. Put the nice warm winter welded gloves on. I wear these welded gloves for everything. They're awesome. All right, I'll take this seal off here somehow. It goes this way or it's off that way. What the hell comes off here? There's a spring here. Okay. Got a little springy thing out. I can get this one out of here. What the hell's holding this in? What in the hell? I don't know. Bigger screwdriver, I guess I need a BFS. What the hell can I get this out of? I must have a bigger, beefier screwdriver somewhere. I don't know. Let's keep trying with this one. Is there a retainer clip in here, maybe? I don't think so. Don't think so. How do I get this out of here? Window is vice grips. There's rubber bits in there, so put up some rubber hook. What the hell? How does this come out? There's another spring in there. Yeah, it's just stuck. Where's the big fat neck here? Anyway, that's. I'll fight that another day. How in the hell? How in the hell does this come off? Something missing here, maybe? Weird. All right, come on. Let me figure this out off camera. Hey, needle bearing. Came right out. Look at that. I got the little nerd bearing out of there. And apparently there's no little thing in there anymore. I don't know if I got it out correctly or what, but this one, there's no little ring in it. one little hole in the back. I heated it up, tapped it. You can actually push it down this way, and then you can push the front this way, and you can also get a bit of a diagonal in here. But you need a long punch, and from what I've been told, where is it? I've been told if the lip's broken off here, you're screwed. So, good luck with that. But I got the needle bearing out very easily. Yay! Good job. First time I ever worked on a needle bearing on a 3-wheeler before. Anyway, if you'd like, subscribe. Tell me how you like my channel, all that stuff.